guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been gone for a couple months. We had some illnesses and so forth, and we've had some big changes here in the garage. Some of you guys know what's going on, some of you don't, and some of you are gonna be really mad, and some of you are gonna be like, why? Let me show you. Okay, so here's what's left of my pile of stuff that I had, and most of you guys know I was doing a engine swap in the Scrambler. Ooh, let me cover that up. Well, had a change of events. Meet the new Rubicon. Yep, so we went ahead and sold the Scrambler and decided to go ahead and get something that's a little bit more modern and a little bit easier to get parts for. Not to say that the LS wouldn't be easy to get parts for, but this is something that's going to be a little bit more comfortable. I don't have to modify a million things on it. It runs, it drives, it needs a few things. Let me show you. First of all, this is a 2003 Jeep Rubicon. It's a real Rubicon. First year that they offered the Ruby, so it's got the air lockers and stuff. Anyway, I picked this up a couple days ago and I saw the ad and poof, jumped on it, grabbed it. Same day I sold the Scrambler, which I really wasn't planning on doing that. But as you can see, it's completely stock. There's no modifications in here, which is what I like. And I want to keep it this way, but you can tell, let me get a light. We got a slight oil leak under here, just by this right here. I originally thought it was the valve cover, but it's not. It is the front main seal of the engine. So we're gonna be tearing into that. And I'm not sure how I wanna go about it. I wanna change this winch out in this front bumper, but I don't have the bumper that I want yet. So we might be just taking it off and pulling the front end off and pulling the radiator out, just so I can show you guys how to do the timing cover and the timing seal and so forth. But let's take a look at this thing. Again, it's a 2003 TJ Rubicon. It's already got a lift kit on it, 3.5 inch Rubicon Express. He put some fuel wheels on it. I haven't made up my mind if I want to keep those. I kind of like the color. What do you guys think? Leave a message down below. Let me know what you would do. It has the end links here that are not removable. I don't think I've ever seen that. This does not have the option for a quick sway bar disconnect switch inside. So he's done some upgrades on it. Got the Quadratech LED headlights in it. Check that out. It still has the light under the hood. I can't believe that. Most of those are just tore up and missing. But we got a little bit of work to do to it. I'm probably going to be taking this to Bantam where the engine crane is in the way. Anyway, it's pretty stock. And, you know, other than the 3.5 inch Rubicon Express kit that's on it, yeah, no big deal. So we're going to be working on this thing here soon. I'm going to order a timing seal, some other things, go ahead and change some maintenance items on it. You can see they put a drop transfer case kit on it. I think I'm gonna eliminate that and get a longer drive shaft. And what I would like to do is put a 1 inch body lift on this and put my 35s. I still have my 35s from my Gladiator. It has some goodies on it, so yeah. Might be changing the winch out, probably be changing the bumper out and getting rid of these KC lights. I'm not a big fan of those. All right, and so the big problem with it, it's not really a problem. His son had the Jeep for a little while and accidentally backed into something and bent the rear door. And as you can see, got a nice giant crack on the door. A lot of times on these older models, when you put a bigger tire on the back of the Jeep and you don't put reinforcements on it, it cracks the back door anyway. Same thing on the JKs. So you can see he's got an aftermarket tire mount, it's a nice tire mount, but I would like to get the kit from like Terraflex or Smittybilt or somebody that has the heavy duty tire carrier bolted to the body. So we need a new tailgate. The interior is in pretty good shape for a 20-year-old vehicle. So as you can see, it's nice and clean inside. Everything is still stock. Still has the original seats. He actually kept all the receipts and everything for this Jeep here. And it was really nice. It made it pretty simple. No-brainer to buy it. So, well, it's a 5-speed. Probably one of my favorite Jeeps. My absolute favorite Jeep is the red Jeep that's outside. But yeah, it's pretty stock. Big thanks to my brother. He brought me some speakers today. That's just a box. He brought me some speakers today. I'm going to use these in here. These are pretty nice speakers. I use those in my other TJ. Question, what do you guys think about putting a double DIN radio in this thing? I'm addicted to my Apple CarPlay now that's in my Gladiator. And I would really love to have it in here, but this is going to be, you know, a weekend warrior, if you will, off-road thing. Should I put that in here, or should I just leave a single DIN Kenwood in here? But I'm really happy with this, and I'm glad I found it. And yes, it has 172,000 miles on it, but that's fine. I knew a good mechanic. All right, guys. So again, I'm sorry for not putting anything up on YouTube lately. Number one, I was burnt out on that Scrambler build. It was just taxing, and I had a bunch going on at work, and I was done when I got home. So anyway, this has lit my fire again. We're gonna get to work soon on some stuff. So, but anyway, hope you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Share it with people. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you would think. Should I keep the fuel wheels? Should I change to a double DIN radio? And what do you guys think of the TJ? And I know I'm gonna get a lot of feedback for selling the Scrambler. So anyway, thanks you guys. Peace out. Take care of number one first. See you later.